How to cancel NOW Broadband service online. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into nowtv.com on the web version, or you can simply use the application of NOW Broadband service, right? So in here, make sure that you are logged into your account. After making sure that you're logged into your account, now what you're going to do is simply tap on the menu bar that you can see on the top left corner right here. Then from there, you'll be able to see your account settings, from which you'll be able to see broadband and calls. Simply keep on scrolling until you find broadband and calls, and then you can tap on that one. And then after tapping on there, here you'll be able to see the option of cancel broadband or contact NOW Broadband support via chat or their phone number, right? So what you can actually do is simply tap on cancel broadband, or you can even, like I said, contact their phone, or you can contact them via chat too. So after doing that, you can now return a router using a prepaid return packaging, and that is exactly how you'll be able to cancel NOW Broadband service online.